Hi guys, my name is Dia and my winter vacations just started. Now, just like every other student, I had a goal to make my life better and get things on track and try things that actually work for me. And I know this sounds like a lot because I had a huge list of things I want to do in just 2 weeks. I wanted to study for my finals, stitch, paint, go out, exercise, and most importantly, fix my sleep schedule, which is a huge deal for me. I want to share with you what I tried, what actually worked, and what didn't. First things first, I had to make a plan. So I grabbed my notebook and I wrote down everything I wanted to do this vacation, and that was overwhelming. I realized I had to make some change in order to actually accomplish any of this. And I realized that studying all day is practically impossible. So I decided to study for a certain time and then do something fun like stitch or paint. And in that way, the day kind of balances out and I don't feel tired or overworked. And honestly, this tiny change made me accomplish more than I thought I could. Comment down what you want to accomplish this vacation. So, my next lesson was about routine. I thought I had to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day and I would actually be able to finish everything I wanted to do. But the truth is that 5 a.m. mornings are just not productive for me. I don't feel like doing anything and I just feel tired. So I put the bar down a little and I decided to wake up at 9 a.m. instead. And surprisingly, that actually worked. I felt more energetic to do things. So, the next time you want to build a good sleep pattern, start small. You don't have to aim for 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Whatever works for you, start with that. Next is a universal truth about school holidays. It's not just for studying. It's a time for you to try out your hobbies, to try new things, and to watch that show you've been waiting to watch. If I only did work, then I'd be burnt out before the vacation even ended. So I added little creative breaks, like stitching a dress that I've been planning to, doing a sketch, or watching some movies. These tiny things help me focus when it's time to study. It's like a fun reset for your brain after a long day. So, the next time you're trying to fix your life, don't forget about doing the things that you enjoy. Even 15 to 20 minutes can make a difference. Tell me, what do you enjoy doing in your free time? Finally, I realized that motivation is not consistent. You won't feel motivated every day, so stop relying on that. It's totally normal to not feel like doing something. But what is more important is that you're consistent and that you push through. Doing one thing like reading a page of a book or just doing a sketch, these small things are enough. Just being consistent can help you achieve your goal. Don't rely on motivation. Even if you feel lazy, the way you push through is what makes you achieve your goal. So, yeah, that's basically what I learned in the first few days of my holiday. And no, my life is not fixed yet, but I'm still pushing through. These small steps actually help me feel productive. I hope this video helps you too, whether you're studying this holiday, picking up a hobby, or trying to fix your sleep schedule. If you're doing something similar, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, your routine does not have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent. Small efforts matter. And I'll see you in the next video.